be trying to figure out how you can improve the sound quality on your iPhone. Now, this can pretty much be taking place in a few different ways, whether you're trying to improve the sound quality in a specific application or as your iPhone as a whole. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is if you're talking about your iPhone completely as, with the hardware itself, it will be dependent on the iPhone you have. If you have a very old iPhone, the sound quality is not really going to be the best. But if you want to go ahead and improve it, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're not covering up the microphones on your device. If you take a look around your device, you may see some smaller holes around it. There's a little tiny hole around most sides, like here's one right here. There should be one somewhere else. Like there's a ton of little microphones, even on the back right here, there's one. So what you want to do is make sure you're not covering up your whole entire iPhone when you're recording. Especially if you're recording video, the best thing to do is just pretty much keep your iPhone as kind of like this as much as possible. But on the back, like I mentioned, you want to make sure you're not covering up this little tiny hole up here or having your camera or thumb or whatever finger like around these specific areas. So those little tiny holes you want to be wary of. You can also grab a small cotton swab of some sort and try cleaning out these little holes there too. That's another thing you can try doing, and personally that's actually helped me quite a bit as well. Now on top of that, another thing you can do is if you're trying to improve the microphone quality, if you're like in voice memos or something like that, is by going into your settings application right here. And what you want to do is you want to make your way over to like the voice memos application. So here you can see it right there, it's for us. Now here, there's a few things you can do, but under audio quality, which is right there, you can go ahead and change it from compressed to lossless. Now what lossless does is basically it'll allow us to go ahead and pretty much have lossless type of experience, so it'll record it at a much higher rate. If we have it as compressed, it's going to save storage, but it's going to give us a more, it's not going to be as good as lossless. So keep that in mind. If you want to have the best audio quality, keeping it lossless is the best way to go. Now on top of that, another thing you can try doing is updating your iPhone. Sometimes there's better audio calibration if you update your device. So a thing you can do here is just go and click on General, go and click on Software Update, and just go ahead and update your device. And that's another thing you can do as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would be so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.